are going to read a book about solar system. I'm going to talk about the 8 planets that we have. Okay, before we had 9 planets including Pluto, but now Pluto is not a planet anymore. So we only have 8 planets. Okay.
The fighter planet is Pluto, Earth, Mercury, the dwarf planet. Wow! Look up at the sky. What do you see? Can you see the moon? Ask the astronauts. I love the footprint on the moon.
Okay, moon is the natural satellite, okay? Not all the planets have moons. Like for example, I think Mercury and Venus, they don't have moons. But Earth has only one moon. And this is the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system, okay?
We see it in the daytime.
Correct. We see sun in daytime. In nighttime, we see the moon and stars, okay? Do you know the parts of the sun already?
Yeah, the part of the sun like water, planets, computer, the daytime zone, or photography, gravity.
Wow! High five! You're so good! The first planet in the solar system is Mercury. You read.
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Ouch! Asteroids and comets already hit this planet.
Okay, so Mercury is the nearest, okay, from the sun. Okay, I'll show you, okay? So where's the Mercury here? Very good. You see? Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The nearest, okay?
Venus is the brightest planet. Ooh! When it's the hottest planet, it is the
So among those planets, Albert, Venus is the hottest, okay? It's very hot in Venus. The third planet is... Okay,
and Earth is my favorite planet. We live on a planet called Earth. On space, it looks like a swirl blue marble.
Oh, look at the Earth. This is the Earth. It looks like a swirled blue marble.
And Earth there are many countries.
Yes, Earth has many countries, okay?
And my favorite was Philippines.
And why is Philippines your favorite country?
So I can play there.
You could say because I am a Filipino.
Because I'm a Filipino.
That's why I love Philippines.
Because I love Philippines. And that's my favorite.
Philippines also. Next, Albert, read.
I'm on the third planet from the sun.
Yes, so Earth is the third planet from the sun. And the fourth one is...
Mars and the fifth one was Jupiter.
Okay, this is the fourth one and Jupiter is the fifth one. You read first.
After that, we're going to hold on to the Jupiter.
Yes, but now Mars muna. Okay? Or read, can you?
Can you point to the right planet and Mars?
Yes, this is the Mars. Look, oh, color is red.
I
Mars?
like red. Mars has thermal red and volcano. How about Jupiter?
Okay, how about Jupiter?
Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the stormiest planet and the solar system.
Very good.
And it's the largest planet.
In the solar system. Next. Okay.
And this cool planet has rings.
Yes, that's why it's unique because this is the only planet that has rings. Okay? And these rings go around and around.
And there's red, yellow, and green rings.
And the rings are made of, do you read?
Ice also rock.
The rings are made of ice, dust, and rock. Next one. And you said properly.
Remember I drew Uranus?
Yeah, I remember that. You draw it all the time.
We will read the Uranus and Neptune.
Okay, together.
Uranus and Neptune are dark and cool. Boom. Ice crystals give Uranus its blue color. Uranus rotates on its line. It rotates like that and also like that. It is very windy on Neptune.
Now that you know the 8 planets planets in the solar system. I'm gonna ask some questions about those 8 planets. Are you ready? What are the 8 planets in the solar system?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good. Blank is the center in the solar system. What we call the very good, it's the sun. Blank rotates on its side.
The wind
And the rings of the Saturn are made of...
that's a rock.
Galing naman. Oh my... This is the closest planet to the sun.
Mercury.
Very good. These 2 planets are the dark and cold planets in the solar system.
Uranus and Neptune.
Correct! Yes. Next. This planet is the only planet that has rings that go around and around. What do you call that
Saturn.
planet? What is it?
Saturn.
Yes, Saturn. It is very windy on blank.
Neptune.
Very good. What do you call the planet that is considered the largest planet among those planets?
Jupiter.
Oh, galing. High five. It is also stormiest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter too.
Jupiter too. In this planet, Albert, there are a lot of giant volcanoes.
Mars.
Correct. It's Mars. Look. Ang galing-galing mo. This is the hottest planet in the solar system. What do you call that planet? The hottest planet.
Venus.
Correct. Venus. This planet is the 3rd planet from the sun. What?
Earth.
Very good. This is the only planet we can live.
Earth too.
Yes, Earth too. This is the brightest planet in the solar system. What?
Venus.
You done. You got all correct answers.
Bye bye, Mrs. Mommy.
Yes, it's mommy.
Thank you for watching my YouTube.